Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question number 54 of 2015, tabled under my name. Can the Honourable Minister for Land inform this Honourable House on the conditions surrounding the sale of land to the Kiribati Government for the relocation of Kiribati nationals as a precautionary measure to rising sea levels in Kiribati? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Lands.
Thank you. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for that question. The land we're talking about here is freehold land, which belonged to the trustees of the Church of England, and they, in their wisdom, decided to sell it to the government of the Republic of Kiribati. As of 16 May 2014, that parcel of land is now registered to the government of the Republic of Kiribati.
Thank you. Supplementary question, Mr. Nawaikula.
The customary owners of this land are the villagers from Maingangi and Waleni. Pursuant to that condition, and pursuant to the fact that the government gives its consent, these landowners have been asking the government if they should be given the first right of refusal. Did the government consider the request, and if no, why not? Why did it refuse them?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
He was asking the government time and time again. So why did the government refuse?
As irrelevant as that question may be to the original question, I will address it. The question I would have expected from a non-lawyer. A lawyer had to ask this question, and lawyers would know about indefeasibility of title. In this matter, it's freehold land that we are talking about.
Order. We carry on, Minister.
As I stated earlier, this freehold land was held by the Church of England. They are the registered proprietors.
Thank you. Supplementary question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. This sale of land to the Kiribati government would mean a lot of things. It would mean a mass migration of people if they have to come and occupy this land. My question is, what policies the government has in place in terms of infrastructure, employment, healthcare, etc., if these people have to come to Fiji? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
To come and occupy this land.
Honourable Minister for Lands.
Speaker, that's a hypothetical question. As it stands, this land is agricultural land, as it stands. Should the Kiribati government wish at some future date to relocate people, then that will become a policy matter for government to talk about it when that happens. As it is, there is no formal request from the Kiribati government for that.
Thank you. Honourable Saladiran, your supplementary question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. As we have heard earlier on, that the consent has been given by government for the Kiribati government to purchase that piece of land, and also the concerns being raised on the socio-economic impact that it might have on Fiji. The other question that I have, Madam Speaker, is, can the Minister please advise if the people of Kiribati are going to come to Fiji on the migration with dignity policy in place to assist the people of Kiribati with employment and integration into the Fiji community?
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I just answered that question. That's a hypothetical situation that she's coming up with at this point in time. We can address it when that happens.
Thank you.